Court of Appeal Abuja Division has affirmed the election of Doye Diri as governor of Bayelsa State. A five-man panel of the appellant court unanimously upheld the appeal filed by Governor Doye Diri, INEC, and the PDP against the majority judgment delivered by the Bayelsa State Governorship Election Tribunal. We have details in this report.
2 months after the Bayelsa State Governorship Election Tribunal nullified the election of Doye Diri, but the Court of Appeal has now overturned that judgment after hearing 6 appeals from Doye Diri, INEC, PDP, Owe Oweniwe, Vija Opuma, and Ebezimo Diria. The appeals were all decided on merit. In the appeal filed by Governor Diri, the court held that the ANDP did not prove valid nomination of its candidates to contend on lawful exclusion. The court also held that the tribunal lacked the jurisdiction to entertain the petition filed by the ANDP as it was statute barred. The appeals filed by the Independent National Electoral Commission and the People's Democratic Party were also decided along the same lines as that of Governor Diri, as they had same subject matter.
Where a political party will deliberately field underage candidates and use it to scuttle election, this judgment has brought that to an end.
Victory has been declared that INEC properly declared the governor of Bayelsa State.
The Court of Appeal came to the conclusion that some of the grounds in the notice of appeal were incompetent, and the subject matter, the basis for which the appellant brought this appeal to this court, was a matter which ought not to have been filed at the election petition. It was a pre-election matter which ought to have been filed at the appropriate time at the Federal High Court.
Declared that what the trial court did was wrong, and that the appellant, the man who said he was excluded, was not unlawfully excluded because he was not qualified to have contested the election in the first instance.
The separate appeals filed by Owe Oweniwe, Vija Opuma, Ebezimo Diria, which challenged the qualifications of the deputy governor, was dismissed for lacking merit. The court held that the appellant failed to prove the allegations made in the petitions. Doye Diri had filed an appeal on 11 grounds challenging the majority decision of the tribunal which nullified his election as governor of Bayelsa State. The Bayelsa State Governorship Election Petitions Tribunal had held that the Independent National Electoral Commission unlawfully excluded the Advanced Nigerian Democratic Party from participating in the 16th November 2019 governorship election held in Bayelsa State. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.